Hi guys! So, last day ko na dito sa, last day? I mean, last week na namin dito sa Singapore and today is like Tuesday na and sa Saturday na kami uuwi. So, bumili ako ng Muji kanina sa Vivo City. So, yung Muji, ito yung binili ko. This one. This looks cute, kaya binili ko. Plano ko sana bilhin yung maliit na version niya. Yung mini bag. Wait. Pagabal. Yung mini bag sana. Pero ito kay mama ito. Kasi sinend ko sa GC namin. Tapos nagustuhan niya. Tapos ito naman yung akin. So, parang twinning kami. So, yung binili ko sa Muji kanina is these two bags. It was originally 39 SGD, pero it was 60% off with GST. So, naging 15.6 na lang. Yeah. Also, this one, it was really cheap. So, yeah. I-open ko na ata. I-open ko na. So, i-open ko na siya, guys. It looks really good. This is 6mm and then planted sheet paper. Bleed proof notebook set of 5. Oh, this is 5 pala. Oh nga no. Tapos it was listed as 490 SGD. Pero sorry. It was listed as 490 SGD. Pero nung pinunch nila, it was actually like 290 ata. Siguro may sale sila. I just want to see it. I feel like I'm regretting it. I am regretting it already. Why did I even open this up? My gosh. It's okay. It looks, oh my gosh, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. I really like it. It looks, wait. Can you see it, guys? It looks good. And I'm regretting it already. Why did I even open this? Siguro I'm gonna go and put this sa hand carry ko. Oh my gosh, may dent siya na maliit. Oh my gosh. I do not like it at all. Oh my gosh, bakit may dent? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Okay lang yan. Notebook lang yan. Also, kanina, pumunta kami sa Lucky Plaza and nagbili ako ng dalawang ganito. I mean, tatlo, pero binigay ko sa Harry. Yeah. Dalawang Hong Thai. Na-open ko na to and it smells so good, guys. Whew! It smells so refreshing. It smells really good. So then, yeah, it was listed as 290. Yung notebook, can you see it? Yeah. So I bought a lot of pens because I really liked it and it was so cute. It was so cute. So I got this purplish red ball pen and this is, what color is this? Basta guys, brown. This is color brown. Kasi may dong A ako na ball pen and it's listed as black brown. Kaya akala ko, oh my gosh, black brown yun ata to kasi they literally have the same shade. So I bought a lot of it. It was 190, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6. And it looks so good, guys. Like, literally. Do you see this? Do you see this? It looks so good. And I got 2 pink. And I got 1 blue black. And yeah. I'm so excited, guys. Feel ko isa-flat ko na lang ito. Pero I really like ano kasi, actually, sobrang dami ko dapat bibilhin, pero it was too expensive. Kaya yun, buti na lang, andun yung pinsan ko na sabi, hindi yan worth it. Di yun, marami ako na-save, pero may naano pa rin ako na marami pa rin ako na walang pera, kasi magastos ako, fortunately. But it's so good, it looks so cute, and I plan on using this bag para sa parang first week of classes, kasi feel ko wala namang stress or what. Pero of course, I would still bring one binder and yung mga stationery ko and all that, just to be sure. Yeah, nag-value dollar din kami. And also, look, binili ko to sa Chinatown. Yung una, oh my gosh, ang cute. So, bumili ako. And it was $3 for $10. It's like a snack pick. Diba ang social tingnan? And, okay. Yeah. And, bumili na ako ng tatlo. So, I got this one in pink. It's for me. And, I got this one in gold. And this one in silver and gold. Okay. So I'm going to be fixing it because I feel like this is kind of magulo na. Okay. This looks so good. Mag-twinning kami ni mama. I was planning on buying more ball pens and more notebooks, but then may ilang days pa ako ba, so yun, I feel like I wouldn't survive. Yeah, I really wouldn't. Okay, after this, I use this one. Okay, so next naman, ipapakita ko, I got this for 3 for 10 ulit. It look, these socks are so cute. I can use them bahay and all that when I'm sleeping, and yeah. So also, these are some magnets I got, and this is 100 USD. It's like I got 200 USD right here. These are some cute magnets. And also this one, it's $50 SGD. And I got like a lot of nail glitters. And after that, I got also this one. So all of this is worth, no, except for this one, okay, hindi ko kasali because it was in a different shop. So like pati yung mga yung tatlong ganito, tapos yung mga ganito, and also yung ganito, it was all 30 SGD. So nagpick ako ng ball kasi may parang promo sila doon, may palaro ganun. Tapos yung nila is 28 yung original na worth ng bibilhin ko sana. Tapos sinabi nila, do you want to add $2 more? Tapos may ipipick ka. So then I want this. Last time bumili rin kami sa shop na to. Tapos sabi niya, i-like mo lang yung Facebook page ko or what, bibigyan kita ng cute na, ay bibigyan kita ng souvenir na free. So yun. So this is barbecue stingray. And then ito yung pinaka last purchase ko. Kasi sabi nila add $2 more and it's $1 each. So this one is Hainanese chicken rice set. Feel ko ibibigay ko to sa kuya ko kasi super hilig niya talaga sa chicken rice. And ito for me because I really love laksa. Yeah. So, next naman na pag-uusapan natin is yung ito. Nung una, ilang beses kami bumalik dito kasi super namamahalan kami. Because it was $350 isang ganito. Sabi namin, oh my gosh, mas mura sa Thailand. Pero bumili pa na. It smells so good. Ate, nabuksan mo na yung ganito mo? Hindi pa nabuksan ko na. Nakaka-addict talaga siya. Oh my gosh. Sana hindi matanggal yung amoy niya. Sana mga ilang months pa to. So, wait, where is it? So, this, I bought this sa Lucky Plaza. So, ito naman yung isa pa. Okay. It's actually, So, ito yung isa pa, and yeah. It's so good, pero, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. By the way, nag-bring kami ng luggage. And super bigat niya. Ang hirap-hirap niya ibaba, ipasok, ganun, sa train, kapag nag-escalator kami, kapag ganun, ang hirap-hirap niya, like, super. But it's okay, it's okay. I was going to vlog myself buying stuff, pero super rami kasing dala. Kaya yun. Wait. Do I end this and start a new one? Or do I go to another, Super init, oh my gosh. Okay, so, yeah. Kanina sa train, super kami. Kanina sa train, super crowded. Kasi yun. So, ito yung bag na nagustuhan ko is Lululemon. And ito yung original na gusto ko talaga. Tiger Balm. But then, I realized, oh my gosh, it's so much cheaper sa Philippines. Kaya, doon na lang ako bibili. Like, bakit pa gagastos, diba? Tsaka wala akong mahanap sa Philippines ng ganito. Either hindi ko alam kung saan maghahanap or wala talaga, hindi talaga ako marunong maghanap. Later, pupunta kami sa Pasamalam. And, yeah. It's so good. It smells so good, guys. So, nakita ko sa TikTok the other day about the difference between these. Tapos, sabi nung girl, mas better daw na bilhin mo yung lighter na green because it smells better. Tapos, namin kasi may tester doon. And then, we tried the dark green, and then this one, and then the other one. This one and the other light green were, like, the same lang. Just parang bagong packaging lang kasi to. Tapos, yung isa, it didn't smell as good as this one. So, yeah. I definitely believe that girl now. Oh my gosh, nakaka-addict. Oh my gosh. Ang bango.